How's it going there, everybody? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of this channel. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Angel. Nice to meet you. So for those that has been continuously watching throughout my whole video content, especially the one that I recently posted a couple of weeks back, I thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in that part of the video content, especially with your warm regards. Oh man, if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be posting another video anytime soon. So yeah, it's because of you guys that I'm here today to give you guys a ton of entertainment. Anyways, long story short, on that part of the video content, let me tell you, man, I had non-stop action. My rods were bouncing back and forth, non-stop striper boils, non-stop striper hits. My drag were just peeling left and right. I couldn't keep up with the hits. It was the best day of my life, especially when I haven't been fishing for a while. So yeah, if you haven't watched that part of the video content, I'll go ahead and pull up that thumbnail right now and put that link on the description down below. Alright, so if it's your first time fishing in general, then stick around because I'm about to explain a short tutorial video on how to go fishing for the first time. So make sure you guys watch throughout this whole video content so that you can get a better understanding on how to become a fisherman. Now, before you guys head out to go fishing, very important, here in California, you do need your fishing license. Anybody at the age of 16 and over needs a California fishing license. To do that, you can purchase it online or at your local bait shop. If you guys want the link to purchase your fishing license online, I'll go ahead and put that information on the description down below. Alright y'all, so check it out. I am at my local bait shop, Fishery Supplies, located on Story and King here in San Jose, California. This is the best bait shop ever. In my opinion, this is the best bait shop ever. Like, everything is discounted, okay? Nothing that doesn't get any better than this bait and tackle shop, okay? I don't mean to bash on anybody's company, but when it comes to purchasing fishing gears, it can be expensive. If it's your first time fishing, I highly recommend going to Fishery Supplies to purchase your gears. Why do I love Fishery Supplies so much, and why do I always recommend it on all of my videos? Well, let me tell you, the number one reason why I always recommend Fishery Supplies is because they're always on top of things. Okay, I'm talking about when it comes to targeting a specific type of species out there, you know, when it's the season, they would be on top of the gears. Like when it's halibut season, they would have halibut gear. When it's salmon season, they would have salmon gear. When it's tuna season, they would have tuna gear. When it's bluegill, catfish, striper, sturgeon, they would have all the gears accounted for. That's the number one reason why I love Fishery Supplies, because they're just so efficient with the season. So if it's your first time fishing, then I highly recommend purchasing your gears at Fishery Supplies. If you want the store location to my local bait shop, I'll go ahead and put their information, their location on the description down below. Alright, so enough said. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. Alright, so at the front desk, when it comes to purchasing your fishing license, there's three options. You can purchase a one-day license, 1 year, and a lifetime. I recommend purchasing a 1 year. How much is for 1 year? $51. And if you guys want to work with 2 fishing rods, you have to purchase a 2-rod stamp. How much is a 2-rod stamp with the fishing license? 1 year. $82. All you need to do is go to the front desk and they'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Alright, moving forward. Alright, so what you need is some swivel clip, beads. On this aisle right here, this is where you need to purchase some hooks. So you need bluegill hook and striper and catfish hooks. So when it comes to bluegill fishing, my recommendation is to work with a size 12. Size 12 or size 10. That's for bluegill fishing. All you need is 2 packs. With the floaters, you'll just walk to the front of the desk, and on the side, this is where all of the floaters are, okay? Purchase 2 bags of floaters. At the back, this is your bait section. You do need to purchase some sliders. Grab like 5 of them, you should be good. When it comes to targeting catfish and striper, you're in luck. Here at Fishery Supplies, they got some pre-made hooks. You don't need to tie your own hooks. You can just take the easy way out by purchasing these brands of hooks. All you need to do is just tie up your Carolina rig, and on the clip you just clip on your hook, put on bait, and you're ready to go. Alright, so with your yellow license and 2 rod stamp and your fishing rod, this is $37. I'm going to purchase 2 rods, 1 rod for all purpose and 1 rod for just bluegill. Right now she's trying to look for the one I want, but yeah, I'll give you the total price after I'm done shopping. Alright y'all, so I'm purchasing 2 rods and a bunch of gears. With my yearly license and 2 rod stamp, how much everything would cost? $181. Alright y'all, so there you have it. Everything would run you up about, let's just say $190, okay, because you do need some weights. If it's your first time fishing, like first time casting out, I recommend, you know, casting out like a 1 to 2 ounce weight. Alright, so now that we got everything accounted for, let's go ahead and head to fishing. I'm excited. Alright y'all, so we just got to the spot. Here I'm working with the rod that we purchased earlier at Fisher Supplies. So today I'm targeting catfish. We might hook onto striped bass here and there. Guaranteed we might hook onto striped bass. I just know for a fact. So here I just have a complete setup rod. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open your spool just like that. Grab your line, feed it all through the eye of the rod, close that spool up. So I'm working with a Carolina rig. Just go ahead and grab the end of your line, feed that line through your slider just like that, and then go ahead and add a bead. So now that you got your slider, your bead, go ahead and just do an overhand knot. 1, 2. That's all it takes, just like that. Go ahead and cut off the extra line. Grab that overhand knot, cinch it down with this swivel clip, just like that, and pull. So you have your swivel clip, your bead, and your slider. Alright y'all, so in order to get some catfish, we need to catch bait. You know, the best bait to use is bluegill, and to catch some bluegill you need waxworm and a really light setup, okay? So I'm just working with the high and low rig without the weight. So basically I have a floater on top. On the bottom I have the first hook and the second hook. Alright, so here I have waxworm. When it comes to fishing for bluegill, the best bait to work with is waxworm. So when it comes to working with waxworm, you want to really squeeze it with this little tiny hook at the butt of the worm through the head, just like that. Alright, time to cast in. Wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we can catch some bait. If we can't catch any bluegills, we can't catch any catfish or striped bass. Let's just hope and pray that we can catch some bluegills. And just like that, fish on. Let's take it. There you go. Got him. Got him. Oh, we got a double. We got a double, baby. Let's go. We got a double. We got a double. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So now that we have bait, we can go catfishing. Let's go. Casting in 3, 2, 1. All right, wish me luck. Oh, oh. Fish on. Fish on. Oh yeah. And that's how it's done, folks. Let's go. Not a big one, but it's something. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's running, baby. Let's go. This fella's put on a fight. Is that all you got? Come on. Whoa, yeah, that's a good size one. A nice size channel catfish. Good eating size channel catfish. Look at that. That's a beauty. Whoa, he ate double the hook. He ate both the hook. This guy was hungry. Gotta put one leg up and reel at the same time, you know what I mean? Ooh, it's a big one. Slabs out here. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Oh, two. I was playing around too. Oh man, two. I'll take that. Wow. I think I just unlocked a secret technique. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't do that. Whoa. Danger. Woo. Pants-eye bluegill. All day like that, baby. What you know about bluegill fishing? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Woo-wee! That is a big one. Good in-size bluegill. Gotta set it like you mean it. Instant hit right here. First cast. First catch. 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 1 3/4. Come on, take it, and boom! I got him. Got him. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, this one's a fighter. Ooh, yep. Oh, yep. Whoo! Look at that. Look at that. Good eating size, folks. Good eating size. Here in the Bay Area, when have you guys ever catch any bluegill this size? Oh, shoot. The gills are back. The gills are back. There we go. A nice, good size bait. We're just going to use the whole thing. If we get a striped bass, hey, it's all good too. Oh shoot. I got it here. Oh yeah, he's on. He's on. Fish on. Fish on. He was on there the whole time. Yeah, there we go. Let's go, baby. Fish on, baby. Let's go. A nice, good sized channel catfish, I believe. Look at that. Ooh, look at that rod bend on the bluegill rod, baby. Ooh, see that? Let's go, baby. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. Look at that drag. Come on, let's go. Ooh, it's a monster. I think it's a striper. Oh, it's a striper. It's a striper, guys. It's a striper. You see, this is what I'm talking about. On my recent video content that I posted a couple of days ago, I was hooking on to nothing but striped bass left and right. My rods were bending. My rods were bouncing back and forth. Nothing but striper bowls. Nothing but striper hits. And again, look at this. Another one. Another striper. And this one's a keeper for sure. Look at that. Look at that. Keeper striper. These striped bass are just too overpopulated. They're all over the place. They're just too easy to catch. Keep your limit, guys. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and give this bad boy a measurement. Put on a pretty good fight. I believe this is a 22. Yep, 22. Exactly 22 inches. Called it. There we go, y'all. A nice 22-inch striper. Good eating size. Always take home your limit, okay? Stripers are just too overpopulated. You know, in order to control the population of these species of fish, we need to keep our limit. Take it home, cook it, eat it. Striped bass are delicious. Fun facts about striped bass. Did you know striped bass aren't native in our waters? They were introduced in our waters as a sport. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's how the population of striped bass got out of control. You know, different species of fish that belong in our waters, they're slowly disappearing, and that reason is because of these striped bass. If you guys want more information on striped bass and how they were introduced in our waters, I'll go ahead and put that information on the description down below. Alright y'all, so far I got one striped bass. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. Limits on pan-sized bluegill, 2 catfish, not bad. Going home with the win. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Let's go. Heavy. Okay, let's take out that catfish. Damn, that catfish is just big. Get out of there. Whoa. Oh, one bluegill came out. Oh no, he's not going nowhere. Got you. Whoa. This is a bad idea. Okay. Alright. None escape, none escape. Alright, let's go. Oh, sharp. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Oh, we got an escapee. We did pretty good today, buddy. Time to pack up, clean up, and go home. Alright, y'all. I'm heading home right now. Today was freaking epic. We got our limit for bluegill. I almost got my limit for striped bass. I snapped a few lines here and there, but it's all good. It's fishing. So yeah, I finally was able to, hook up on some catfish. Earlier today, non-stop striper hits. I'm trying to avoid stripers. I'm trying to catch some catfish from my mom because she loves eating catfish. With me, when it comes to fishing, I go out there to catch fish and eat. I don't go out there to do a catch and release. That's just not me. I'm a fisherman. I catch fish for food, not for fun. I'm about to post another video content in a couple of days of me just fishing for bluegills because I love bluegills. It's the season for bluegills, and if it's the season for bluegills, I'm going to target them 24/7. It's about that time, day and month where these bluegills start spawning. They would have a ton of caviar in their stomach. If you're a Cambodian or Asian like me, when you just deep fry them bluegills with the caviar in their stomach with some Asian crack sauce and rice, fuego, man, I'm telling you. So stay tuned for that part of the video. It's going to be an epic one. Alright y'all, I'm about to go ahead and head out. If you guys enjoyed the content of this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.